I can't even count how many times this grid of honeycomb has saved my iPhones, completely lined on the inside of the RhinoShield SolidSuit case. This shock spread tech is rated to withstand drops up to 11 feet, and yes, I have tested it extensively in the past and can confirm it's the real deal. Surprisingly, it's a very simple and minimal case on the outside though. Some branding along the sides, a thick, stiff plastic lip around the camera, and a very subtle texture around the edges that makes a big difference, as it actually feels like you've got a hold of your life for just a few seconds. Although even if you didn't, the case still has you covered. Especially when combined with such a thick lipper on the front screen, you can finally distract your devilish 3-year-old with some Baby Shark worry-free, so you can finally sit down and take a breather, knowing your case can handle whenever they decide to throw a tantrum again. Although I'm a big fan of the blacked out option, the case does come in several colors and designs to choose from, many in collaboration with other artists. There's a whole series for the gamers out there as well, and my favorite to rep my home city for that one time they won the Stanley Cup or something. Plus, if you're really feeling feisty one day, the buttons are interchangeable too, so you can literally have a different case every day of the week, making this probably one of the most stylish tough cases available.